Hello everyone, I am Madhumangal Sinha. This is my channel ExamDriller. Today we'll discuss with some questions. This is from the Living World Class 11 Biology subject. Okay, now we discuss with the questions number 1. Why all living organisms classified? Answer. Living organisms are classified because of the following reason. Number 1. Easy identification. Now number 2 is study of organisms of other places. Number 3 is study of fossils. Now we'll discuss with number 4. This is grouping, helps in study of all types of organisms, while it is impossible to study individually of all of them. Number 5 is it is bring out similarities and dissimilarities. They help in knowing relationship among different groups. Number two question is why are the classification systems changing every now and then? Answer is here. From very early days till new biologists use several characteristics for classification systems. They are morphology, anatomy, cytology, physiology, ontogeny, polygeny, reproduction, biochemistry, etc. But day by day, biologists are learning something new about organisms from their fossil records and using advanced study techniques such as molecular phylogeny, etc. So, their point of view about classification keeps changing. Thus, the system of classification is modified every now and then. Okay, now come to the question number 3. What different criteria would you choose to classify people that you meet often? Answer is here. The various criteria that may be chosen to classify people whom we meet often includes behavior, geographical location, morphology, family members, relatives, friends, etc. Okay, now we'll discuss question number 4. What do we learn from identification of individuals and populations? Answer is here. The knowledge of characteristics of an individual or its whole population helps in identification of similarities and dissimilarities among the individuals of same kind or between different types of organism. It helps us to clarify the organisms in various categories depending upon the similarities and dissimilarities. Okay, now we come to question number 5. Here is the question. Given below is the scientific name of mango. Identify the correct written name. Magnifera indica. Keep a view here. I is a capital letter and Magnifera indica. This I is in small letter. So the answer is here. The correct written scientific name of mango is Magnifera indica. I is in small letter. Okay. Now next question number 6. Define a taxon. Give some example of taxa that different hierarchical levels. Answer is here. A taxonomic unit in the biological system of classification of organism is called taxon. In plural number, it is taxa. For example, if phylum, order, family, genus, or species represents taxon, it represents a rank. For example, all the insects form a taxon. Taxon is of class category. For birds is aves, and taxon of phylum category for birds in chordata. The degree of relationship and degree of similarities varies with the rank of taxon. Individuals of a higher rank, say order or family, are less closely related than those of lower rank, such as genus or species. Okay, now we will discuss question number 7. Can you identify the correct sequence of taxonomical categories? Option A is species, then order, phylum, kingdom. Now option B, genus, species, order, and kingdom. Option number C, species, genus, order, and phylum. Answer is here. The correct sequence of taxonomical category is species, genus, order, then phylum. Okay, this is the end of the class, learner. Thanks for learning. We'll meet again with our next interesting class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.